Hey you guys, check out these steps I have here for a Ford F-150. Here's the brackets. This part's going to mount to the frame, and then these pieces, the steps themselves, are going to mount to those brackets there. So you get 4 of them, 4 brackets, and then here's the fasteners and caps that go with it. There's the look at the underside, the pipe wall, the plate there. That's the top, got a little grip for your feet, and then the fasteners are going to go right down through there. There's some threaded holes there. There's a look at the truck before putting them on. These things are custom made for Ford, so you can see that there's some studs sticking out from the frame here. So you got 3 studs, one right there, one right there, and one right there. There's a look at the studs right there, all cleaned up. And right, this piece is just going to go right here, like that. I'm going to go ahead and put the caps on either side of these. Just going to pop them right in there. I'll go ahead and secure the bracket to the truck. These. And I got a 13mm here. Well, you can put on this one and this one with a ratchet, but this one you got to do with a wrench. All right, there's a look at it, the underside, the inside with the bolts installed. Now we go ahead and put this on there. All right, got that one on there. Love that. I was really impressed at how quick these things were able to be installed, and there was no drilling or anything like that involved. I was a little intimidated, thinking I was going to have to drill a bunch of holes in my frame. Not the case. These things bolted right up there, and they're ready to use in no time. Thanks for watching, everybody.